Hey Chris, it's Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke with you earlier about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just wanted you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I'm looking at your website, and I noticed a couple things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to your website and obviously more revenue to your business. So there's 3 ways that we can do this, and it's with content, backlinks, and citations. So content is what I'm referring to as words and images, and we want around 1,500 words on our homepage. We want to make sure that within our content we have our those buyer intent keywords, and we want them to be bolded and highlighted, like this one, home remodeling. But we want to make sure that we have the service areas in front of or behind it. So this way, when Google crawls your page and people search for those keywords, it's a lot easier for your website to be found. The second thing is with pictures. We want to make sure that we have plenty of pictures on our homepage and that these pictures are saved with the proper keywords. So for instance, this one is white paint brick exterior expansion. So most people are going to be searching for home remodeling Dallas, Fort Worth, kitchen remodeling, garage door installation, bathroom remodeling, and then we want to make sure that we have those locations and service areas that we provide in front of or behind it. And we want to make sure they have high volume keywords, obviously. So the second way is with backlinks and referring domains. And backlinks are basically anywhere one website refers to another website. So Google looks at this to see if your website is trustworthy or not. So the more trust Google has, the higher it's going to rank your website. And what I can do is I can pull up this tool that I use. It's called Eris, and it shows me everything that's going on the back end of your website. So currently you're bringing around 1.2 thousand views a month. And we got around 2,000 backlinks, and you have a domain rank of 16 out of 100. So I would say that your website's doing pretty good, but I think that if we compare it to some of your competitors, that we could really get you a lot more views. So here's one of your top competitors. This is AGAP Home Services. They're bringing in around 5,000 views a month. So what we would do is I'd come into AGAP and I would check out their backlinks, and I would go in and get the backlinks that are really helping them, and I would put them on the back end of your website. And I would go get the referring domains and help you, and this would really help your website rank a lot faster, is going out there and getting those right backlinks. So, and referring domains. And then we would go after the keywords and make sure that those keywords that they have are helping you or that are helping them, that we can make them help you. And we want to make sure that some of these keywords in here that you have the proper keywords and those so this will really help a lot too. So house addition plans, we want to make sure that we're going for those keywords that are buyer intent. So Dallas remodel would be a good one. You're ranked second. Dallas home additions, you're ranked first. So a lot of these keywords you're doing good in, but we need to get you some more. Dallas home remodeling, doing good. Modeling contractors in Dallas. So some of these keywords are the words that you need to save those pictures as, and this will actually increase the amount of volume coming to your website. So the last thing I want to go over is citations. So citations are basically anywhere your business name and number appear in registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So the more we can get, the greater chance you'll have of getting into the top 3 of a Google Map Pack. And we like to start off with around 350 citations so that we can get you ranked right up in here. And if we can get you ranked in here, this is where 70% of all your views are going to come from. Because most people are searching on their cell phone, and they're not going to scroll through the list of businesses, and they're not going to scroll through the view all. They're going to click on the top 3, top 4, go to the website, click on a number, and give them a call. So we want to get you ranked right up in here, and we want to get you ranked in multiple keyword searches so that you're found a lot easier. So I hope this video helps, man, and if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I would love to sit down with you guys and go over what we can do for you and really bring in a lot more revenue from your website. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a good day. Thank you.